Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is March 6th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Aquestive Therapeutics. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Aquestive Therapeutics is a pharmaceutical company focused on innovative drug delivery technologies. Their recent report covers the fourth quarter and full year of 2024, and there's a lot to unpack.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financials. Aquestive reported a fourth quarter revenue of $11.9 million, a 10% decrease from the previous year. However, their full-year revenue increased by 14% to $57.6 million. John, what are your thoughts on these numbers?
The decrease in Q4 revenue was primarily due to a drop in license and royalty revenue. However, the full-year increase reflects strong performance in other areas, such as co-development and research fees. Despite this, the net loss widened to $17.1 million in Q4, driven by higher R&D and administrative expenses.
And how about their adjusted EBITDA?
The adjusted EBITDA loss for Q4 was $11 million, significantly higher than the $2.8 million loss in the same quarter last year. This increase is mainly due to higher R&D expenses and commercial spending for their key products.
Product development and strategic initiatives. Moving on to product development, Aquestive has initiated the NDA filing process for Anaphylm, with a launch expected in Q1 2026. Can you elaborate on this, John?
Absolutely. Anaphylm is a sublingual film for severe allergic reactions, and its NDA filing is a significant milestone. The company is also preparing for a potential FDA advisory committee meeting, which could further highlight Anaphylm's benefits. Additionally, the AQST 108 topical gel is set to enter Phase 2A trials in Q2 2025, targeting alopecia areata.
And what about Libervant?
Libervant received FDA approval for patients aged 2 to 5 years, marking a crucial step in expanding its market presence. However, the company is currently appealing a court ruling that challenges this approval due to existing orphan drug exclusivity for a competing product.
Financial outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, Aquestive has provided its financial outlook for 2025. What are the key points here, John?
The company expects revenue between $47 million and $56 million, factoring in some erosion in Suboxone demand. They also anticipate a significant adjusted EBITDA loss of $46 million to $53 million, largely due to pre-commercial spending for Anaphylm and ongoing clinical trials.
How should investors interpret this guidance?
Investors should be aware that while the company is investing heavily in its pipeline, these efforts are crucial for long-term growth. The focus on Anaphylm and AQST 108 could position Aquestive well in the market if these products receive FDA approval.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Let's discuss the EPS forecast. Analysts expected an EPS of -4, but the actual EPS came in at 19. What does this mean for the company?
This EPS miss of 0.05 cents indicates higher than expected expenses, particularly in R&D and administrative areas. While this might raise concerns, it's important to note that the company is in a heavy investment phase, which could pay off in the long run.
How are analysts reacting to this?
The sentiment is cautious. While there's optimism about the product pipeline, the financial strain from ongoing investments is a point of concern. Investors will be closely watching the company's ability to manage costs and achieve key milestones.
Key takeaways. In summary, Aquestive Therapeutics has shown strong revenue growth for the full year 2024, despite a challenging fourth quarter. The company's focus on advancing its product pipeline, particularly Anaphylm, is promising. However, the financial outlook for 2025 indicates continued investment and potential challenges. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. It's an exciting time for Aquestive. and their strategic initiatives could lead to significant advancements in their market position.
Thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Aquestive's performance in the comments below.